Welcome back to our Goofy Partner tutorial series. In the last video, we showed you how to log into the partner portal and go through the first settings. Today, we'll take a closer look at the partner dashboard and set up some important sections including documents, location, and bank details. In the partner dashboard, you will first see an overview at the top with your total bookings, the number of services you currently offer, your remaining payouts, and your total earnings so far. Below this, you will find a monthly chart that clearly displays your revenue. Further down, you can also see a section with your top employees and your most recent bookings. If you click on your profile picture and your name at the top and select My Info from the drop-down, you'll get a general overview of your profile, along with details of your bookings, your employees, your 88% commission, and your customer reviews. A very important section here is documents. You need to upload your official documents, at minimum your business registration and a copy of your ID card or passport. To do this, simply click on the purple button Add Partner Document, select the type of document from the drop-down, upload the file, and save your changes. In the payout section, you will soon find a list of all payments you have received from us. Under location, you can add your company's address by clicking the purple button Add Location, entering the details, and saving them. To ensure you receive your payouts, the bank section is especially important. Here, click on Add Bank and enter the name of your bank, your IBAN, and the BIC. You must also upload a document that confirms these bank details, then save your entry. In the slot section, you will once again see your working hours and the days on which you want to provide your services. In the next video, we will show you how to create your first service with Goofy. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact our support team directly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next episode.